Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a Forex forecast and today I am going to discuss gold US dollar, euro US dollar and pound US dollar. So let's see if I see on this gold US dollar. First of all, obviously you may remember that we have discussed, like I discussed these several levels when it was dropping all the way from 2044. If you are following me regularly, I'm sure uh, this story is all in front of you. Then obviously the rally continued further, and this zone, if you see, so this zone I have traded on the daily level, intraday level, and this one is a whole sell impulsive wave. Though there is something, we got this rejection from 1922.05 today, but my original level was somewhere 1911, 1909, this level. So I will be discussing this since I have traded this on a daily basis in the live streams. So obviously till here I took from 2044 this long term advantage from it, and then from right here I took daily trades, which obviously gave nice profits. You can check back the live streams, but this particular trading plan on gold especially is definitely, in the previous video there was one other level, and that comes right here near this 202 level. Still it gives me this 202 level. So obviously now there are two zones with us, and it makes a very nice sense, this whole plan. And this will again be like a long term. So the weekly traders don't get bored, because there is something with me for you as well. Even the daily traders, you will be getting something to learn today, some setups to learn today, and then practice. So one request I will give to all of you is that first understand my strategy, and before, like, once you don't understand it, please I request you trade these levels on the demo accounts. Okay, uh, this is a request, because this is market and it is way too dangerous than we think. So it will be better to stick with the demo accounts for now. And those of you who are trading real, well, these forecasts can help you in some way. Maybe you are thinking just like I think about the market. So here's that's what I want to tell you now, friends. Actually this is the whole plan. I mean, the plan is not yet ready. I would like to see this one. I already did, and 61.8. So at the moment, according to my strategy, most of you will remember that I get a impulsive wave, a 61.8 pullback, and then the same continuation like this. And I was already bullish on this for long term. Even I closed some trades nicely. From 1929 I took a buy trade that went really well. So like everyone eyes at this moment is on gold, and no doubt, even if I switch to the H4 and see, it was a complete, like, at some point in time the market completely wasn't able to get any sort of direction. There was like so many, I have no enough words for it, but like, see, ups downs, like the market wasn't getting any sort of clear direction. So obviously if 2020.86 I'm looking bullish till here, at this stage definitely 1911 I cannot forget. Like maybe at some point in time when this market wasn't getting enough direction, maybe these people have some other plans. So this is a little bit more technical now, and I will be trying to find out impulsive wave in front of you in such market situations. Let's say now, like see the daily time frame, I already analyzed it with this thing, right? It suggests a buy which already became valid from right here towards 2020, and for long term I will remain bullish. Now this is about the for the weekly traders, the day traders, intraday ones that who are looking for short term profits, like 4 hours, 5 hours they want to take and close their trade. So for such traders obviously uh, we like I would like to find different waves. First of all, this one, if we see the Fibonacci wasn't respected, then if I say okay, this was an impulsive wave, if I consider it, and it has a 61.8 as well. Right here you may clearly see, even that is also not very nice and good looking, but still let's see. Even let's take it from right here. So okay, so this thing, it did the correct one, it was, and the 61 was right here. It mostly like almost completed this, then another new wave, and obviously a 61.8, then a little bit of bounce. It was supposed to complete up there, it did not. But my friends, this particular setup seems to be valid till now so far. This is what I know, but I'm not considering it. Let's see something else. Well, the perfect sign for gold to be completely bullish will be a break from 1958.48 on H4, maybe a retest, or maybe the market continues straight up. So this makes a sense, and it will also validate this particular type of trade setup, which obviously has not yet been broken from right here towards 2005, which is again one more level. So I'm looking at this gold completely bullish, and on the H1 if I show you, yes, a very nice break above 1958 and a very nice and decent bullish trade will be waiting for all of you, and try to practice it on the demo account. Further, let's say most traders are retracement traders and want to be a bit more safer, so obviously for them 1938.50 can become a nice buy zone intraday ones, right? So more on this tomorrow, maybe in the live stream or in the daily forex forecast video. Now if I switch to the euro US dollar, no doubt it moved very nicely. See, this was expected. You can check back all of my previous videos. I was trying to put all of the clips right here, but then I thought it doesn't makes a good sense, because if the there are fan following of my analysis of my strategy, then they will already be telling me themselves that okay Aftab, see this happens. So all the way from right here I was observing it, and exactly it completed this 1.09229 level. Here is one tricky thing, and for that I have to delete all of this thing. Now there is something else on the euro dollar. On the euro dollar, if we see, market is clearly on a bullish trend. The way from which it dropped was almost like 61 we can say, even if we consider these people as well, even these people as well. So very bigger level it was. But let's see from right here. So according to this, it is now clearly suggesting a sell trade from right here, right? But obviously we cannot blindly take a sell trade. Let's have a look at the H1, and this is for the day traders. So if enough clues we find right here till tomorrow New York session, it start to range right here, then I can suggest a further a sell trade towards this zone. This is the daily and the weekly setup, right? 1.07436 it will be, and obviously if a close above, then the story will be something else. Then we have this whole impulsive wave, then we don't know where the market will stop. This will be valid only in that situation if market never stops right here. Otherwise, if it starts a sell opportunity from right here and a buy opportunity also from right here, and for some reason the cell of the mouse has stopped working, so just give me 1 second so that I can change it at a very odd time. But luckily I have this light, and I hope it works, because these lights are not supposed to be used in the it worked. Nice. So yes, if we get a nice reversal from right here, then one sell opportunity and one buy opportunity. I'm in more favor of this buy opportunity tomorrow, maybe in the London session or till New York session. So euro has given us some nice levels, and if it closes above this, let's say till tomorrow, then this double top can give us some nice profits from a sell trade near 1.10901. Otherwise, let's say if it closes above this, I may not be chasing it. So let's see, maybe from 1.12164 right here I can take a sell trade then. But I want to observe this level. I think it should give us around 7500 pips of profit. So rest the market will decide. Similarly on the pound dollar, previous weeks went very well, right? Very nicely and very perfectly fine for the weekly traders, for the day traders, for everyone, right? Now there is again something else going on. The pound dollar, if we see, very I should say right here, a very nice channel it is maintaining. But we have a one problem, and that is we have no exact idea where it is going to stop next. So let's see if we have something on the weekly. Yes, there is something on the weekly, and let's see what's that. Oh, this week is like, oh, we have got almost like a break above the 61.8 on the long term. Well, for the long term, I see it going back towards this zone. Oops. So yes, more long term trade setup right here till 932 pips of profit with a 610 pips of stop loss. So let's see, I will be opening a 0.05 trade, and let's buy from right here. And this is also a demo account, so, and stop must be right here, okay, because this is way too weakly. 872 pips of take profit and 521 pips of stop loss, and the trade is long term. So this is one long term opportunity. The short term, if I see, obviously I cannot find any at the moment. So this is just going up and up and up. So let's see from where it retraces me tomorrow, so that we can add more buy positions to it. Dollar yen, if we see on the daily, see like this triangle was there, and I analyzed it so much, so I need to refresh the analysis a little bit. Right here, I have clearly told and said in the videos, from right here I became bullish. We have got an ABCD pattern completion right here, and no breakout has occurred yet. So to me, I think for a sell zone I will be a little bit more waiting for 142.251. So let's see if this week we get that or next week, but it will obviously be going back down. And let's see right here, there are very good hopes, but no blind trades. Obviously this is a weekly, and on the lower time frames if we see, well, no doubt it dropped today and it is still dropping, but still, let's see, let's wait till 142.251. So this was a forex forecast for these currency pairs, and I hope I will try to update all of you about these currency pairs on a regular basis in this particular video episode, I should say, and every day I will be updating you about it. So if there is any opportunity like the daily H4 or the weekly or the lower time frames, scalping, intraday, any type of setups, if I find, I will be posting it right here. So mainly I will be sharing setups right here in this episode, and yeah, that's it. So let's see tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Make sure to leave a like. Till then, take care of yourself again. Goodbye.